welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another exciting video. So in today's video I'm actually going to be unboxing something for you. So I'm going to be unboxing the p.louise budget box for April 2021. I'll get into a little bit more about that in just a second. But if you are new here, I'd love it if you stick around, hit subscribe, and if you do enjoy my video, make sure you hit the like button because it really helps out my channel. And let's just see exactly what's in the box. So just in case you're not familiar with the p.louise budget box, it is a new box. So the April 2021 is the first box that they've done, and it retails for £30, but you get £70 worth of product in it. And I just think it's such a good way of trying out p.louise brands. Like, if you haven't tried anything from p.louise, then this would be perfect. But also it has exclusive shades in it and exclusive products, so that's super exciting if you're like a big p.louise fan. I do have quite a few of the p.louise bases. I do have a p.louise birthday haul coming up very soon on my channel, so make sure you look out for that because I bought quite a few bases. So I have already opened this. It arrived yesterday and I just couldn't help myself. I just had to open it. I wanted to know what exclusive shades were in there. Opening it up, this is what it looks like inside. It's such a cute box, but you're always going to get that with p.louise. Packaging is massive. So this is what the products look like. So let's see what we've got. It did ask you to pick an eyebrow shade and there were 5 different options. So I've gone with Blonde Blend. Obviously I'm blonde. I was spoiled for choice, so I wasn't sure whether to go for like hazelnut one or something, but I ended up going for Blonde Blend. So the first thing that you get in the box is a p.louise brush, and this is the number 125, and it's from the p.louise Cancel collection. It is just an angled brush. That's what it looks like right there. Feels really nice actually. I'm definitely going to use this to carve out my brows. I've been loving the p.louise brushes at the minute, so I'm very happy to get a brush that I haven't got already. So the next thing you get is an eyebrow pencil, and this is what the packaging looks like. It looks super cool and reflective. I love the pink and white ombre, so cute. So let's see what it looks like inside. I'm really excited because I haven't tried any of the brow products before. Oh, this looks so nice. Like, so this is what the pencil looks like. You get a spoolie on one end, which feels really nice and it's a really good size, and then on the other side is like your little crayon eyebrow pencil. And let's see how much you get. I really don't want to break it, but I really want to see how much you get. That's all of it. It's not a lot and it is pretty thin, but that's all you get. And this shade actually looks perfect, this Blonde Blend shade. Swatch it for you. That's what the Blonde Blend shade looks like, so I'll definitely be using this on my channel. You'll see this on my channel. Next product you get is an eyebrow gel, and that's what the eyebrow gel looks like, and it is in Blonde Blend again. May your coffee beans be strong like your brow game. I love that. Shows us these like little quotes like on the front of the box. It says, "The most reliable way to predict your future is to create it." I love that. So let's open up and see what the wand is like. Oh, that is a chunky wand for an eyebrow. Like, I'd say this was like a chunky mascara wand. And this is for your eyebrows. I much prefer a really small brush like the Benefit ones, but I mean, I will use it. Let's just see what the colour looks like. Definitely looks like slightly warmer, but doesn't look too warm actually. It looks like a really good colour, to be fair. That's what it looks like there. Perfect colour to go with the brow pencil. I'm just slightly disappointed about the size of the wand, but that's just personal preference. I personally just prefer a like smaller brow spoolie kind of thing on a brow gel, but I'm still going to get loads and loads of use out of that. never get into exciting things. So also in the box you get a lip base, and I haven't tried any of the lip bases yet and I'm so excited to give this a try. So I've got this in the shade Start Naked, and that's what it looks like. I'm so excited to have this. This is like a new product of p.louise and I'm excited because I haven't tried any yet. I wasn't sure about the colour at first, but then I've seen some people on p.louise's story use this colour with a dark lip liner, so I think it's actually going to look really nice. And I did make a TikTok, so if you're not following me on TikTok, I'll leave you a link down below so you can go and check out my TikToks. I absolutely love TikTok so much. But I did film an unboxing of this and a few people commented saying that the lip shade was really nice, so I'm excited to give it a go. I'm going to give it a go with a dark lip liner. I think it's going to work nice. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, it's so vanilla-y, like a vanilla cake or vanilla ice cream or something. It smells so nice. So happy I've got this. I've got a lip base to try and that's exciting because I don't have it. The next thing you get is a p.louise base in Rumour 2.5, and look how cute the pink packaging is. I love it. So I haven't swatched this yet, so let's give it a little swatch. Do you know what? This is going to work for me. This is going to work fine for me. That's what it's like there in the middle. I'm going to be able to use that as an eye base to carve out my eyebrows. And then finally on to the last two products, which is the most exciting product. So first we've got another p.louise base, and yeah, you might not recognise it, it's because it's an exclusive shade and this is so exciting. So this base is the Keeping It in Khaki shade. This is going to look so good with the Mitchell Feet on the Ground palette. I'm so excited to combine both of those. Let's give it a little swatch. So that is what it looks like right there. I've got all kinds of swatches in my hands now and look at it, it looks so good. Like imagine like a smoky eye and then put in this khaki shade like on the middle before you put like a nice grungy green or something on. I'm excited to use this. I'm so excited. Or if you do like a green look and do this eyeliner, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. So many ideas, so many ideas. And then the final product that you get is another p.louise base and another exclusive shade, and this is a purple shade. It's so hard to read the name on the back of this one. I think it's got Purple Passion. It's like a deep purple shade. So let's give it a little swatch. I did swatch this yesterday on my hand and it completely stained my hand. And that's what Purple Passion looks like right there. So vibrant, and this could work nice for like liner work or like putting a base down before you put a purple down, or for like another purple grungy look. I'm so excited to use these, so I am so happy. I definitely think it's worth £30, and we have had a sneak peek of next month's, and apparently there's going to be an exclusive palette in there, which is so exciting. That is so exciting. So definitely if you want to get your hands on it, I'll be super quick next month because I think it's going to be a really popular one. I think it's going to sell out really quick. That is everything in the budget box, and 100% was worth the £30. Shipping's expensive, I won't lie, shipping is expensive. I think it was £3 for standard shipping and then £6 for express, but express only comes a day before standard shipping, so if you can wait an extra day, save you £3. I got express, but I would just save my coin next time. So I think, I don't know, the bit in me is like when you panic buy and then you're like, oh, it's just an extra £3 just to get it really quick and see what's in there. But yeah, I'm gonna try and save my coin next month and just get the standard shipping. But yeah, I highly recommend you checking these out if you enjoy p.louise products, or if you've not tried anything from p.louise, then 100% it's a brilliant way for you to try out products at a bit more of an affordable price. So that's it for the unboxing. So if you enjoyed my video, make sure you hit the like button down below because it does help out my channel so much, and stick around, hit subscribe because I'm so close to 400 subscribers and I really want to hit it soon. So stick around and hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.